So guys, before I start this video, I quickly want to give a message to a very special person, my big sister Sarah. Sarah, I wish you a very happy birthday. I love you lots and I can't wait to give you a big hug. Happy birthday!
С днем рождения, Сара!
Feliz cumpleaños, Sara!
Van harte gefeliciteerd, Sarah!
Marche pas bien, Sara!
Where are we right now?
We're at the krater. That's in Papiamento, so if I want to say it in English, it's the natural jacuzzi. It's basically where the waves crash into the rocks and then it spews from inside. And it's kind of a crater actually.
Yeah.
But we're on the north side of the island and there the water is always quite rough, but today it's extremely rough. I've never seen it this rough before.
I saw the water is crazy. I mean, the waves crash against the shore and the water splashes up so high. I've never seen anything like it, to be honest. I also never sat in a natural jacuzzi before, so it was so much fun. But you have to be careful if you come here. Don't go too far because it can be quite dangerous. So guys, as you can see, we are on the back of the truck now, which is the funnest part. Yes? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. So we're gonna go to the next beach. Today's gonna be a beach day. Emily planned for us to see, I don't know how many beaches. I don't know. You'll see. It's gonna be fun. Chicha what? Chicharrones. Chicharrona.
Don't put any of my stupid clips in this video.
Look at the beautiful driving situation. This is very legal, yes.
Today it is.
Today it is. We make it legal. Rainy told me that all these sharp stones, I thought it might be volcanic, but actually it's dried corals. Like this all used to be covered with water, but then the sea levels and the island itself rose and went down again, so now it's all dried out and very sharp. So you have to be really careful walking on these rocks because they can cut you quite badly. Doesn't matter if you see me or not because of my hair, but the noise you just heard is actually the island breathing. Yeah, now it sounds very strange because I have the feeling there is someone sitting down there. So apparently if you touch this tree, you're gonna get a skin rash, so don't do that. And I just read on this board that the fruit of this tree is also poisonous. So don't eat and don't touch, okay? Okay guys, we came to another beach and this one, oh my god, these colors. It's called Playa Forti. You have to see this, it's insane. We just came to the most beautiful beach It's rated the most beautiful beach, Emily, you said? Or is it official?
I think it's official because everybody thinks it's the most beautiful beach, and it's actually the first beach that you find online if you Google Curacao beaches.
Okay. Fried polenta with cheese and sprouts. Very nice. And this is like a traditional...
It's the first time, well, the polenta is kind of traditional.
Okay.
With the cheese on top, but the sprouts like the first time I see it.
Okay.
It's gonna be interesting to say it's simple.
Yes, yes, fancy.
Go for it.
Yes.
It's good?
Yes. I like it.
Awesome.
The cheese is a good idea. Hello. You're so pretty. Yes, you're also pretty.
Gonna jump.
Yeah, I think so. Here, you want to sniff it? So what did you guys think of lunch? Was it good?
Really awesome.
Really good.
Whose idea was it? Your idea? Yes. Very good. So now we are all tired and half in a food coma. So we're gonna go to the beach and maybe take a nap on the beach. So we came to a small version of the beach that you saw before, and it's so nice because there are not a lot of people. You have these little huts, as you can see, so we have space for all of our stuff. And Rainy is gonna fly a drone.
Yes.
Yes!
Expect awesome footage in a bit.
Yes, you go check out his channel, by the way. Fit Wonder Lifestyle. Come on, Nikita, we believe in you.
Oh, I'm feeling now.
So guys, the water is actually really lovely, like temperature wise, but they're like little pika things. I say they're like little jellyfish. They sting you, and we all got stung. You can even see it. Can you see it on your...
A little bit. I
on
don't
the
know
arm.
if to tell. There's
Yeah.
like here and there. There's just like red.
You can see it on Rainy's arm as well.
Yeah, there. Those dots.
Yeah, it like swells up. It's crazy. Oh my goodness. And look, you can see it here. I got like strings. But other than that, this beach is beautiful. We're gonna chill now, watch the sunset. This is how life should be. No snow, no cold weather, right, Karina?
I agree.
You agree?
Yes.
So guys, the sunset was really pretty. By the end, even the drunk people next to us shut off their music, which was also nice. I also already got burned on my first day, which isn't very much of a surprise. But it was a beautiful day. Thank you so much to all of you for showing us your beautiful island.
This is just getting started.
Yes, it's only the first day. There are still a lot more adventures to come.
Yeah.
And now we're actually just gonna drive home and then have a relaxed evening. I think we're all quite tired. Yes, yes ma'am. So yes, let's do it. Hey guys, I'm back home. Well, home. I'm in my bed and breakfast. And as you can see, oh my god. This isn't even, I think this is one of the worst sunburns I have ever had. Can you see that? I'm glowing. It hurts pretty bad. The thing is, I even put on 50 FPS sunscreen today and I still got burnt because, you know me, usually, I mean, I come from snow into this sunshine weather and I just got burned, but it's normal with me. I have the feeling I can do whatever I want. I just get burned the first couple of days and then it's fine. It was a wonderful day. It was awesome. Such a beautiful island, and there are still many more adventures to come. I also really want to introduce you to Emily, who has organized this whole trip for us. She's amazing. She did such a wonderful job. Tomorrow we're gonna go explore Wilhelmstadt. It's a beautiful town with colorful houses, and yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm just gonna finish this vlog for today because I'm just constantly rambling and making mistakes and I'm tired and I'm very, very sunburned. Oh my god. So I just put a cream on it. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video guys, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and very important, hit the notification bell next to the subscription button, because otherwise you're not going to get notified. Even though you're subscribed to my channel, my videos will not show in your subscription box. This is some weird YouTube thing I don't understand. What is the subscription button for if you're not going to see my videos in your feed? So do that, hit the notification bell. Even if you're already subscribed, it really helps my channel. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish now. I wish you a wonderful week and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.